Hey Sammy fam, exciting day today. It was actually in the 70s instead of being in the 90s or 100s with a feels like temp of like 105. So I'm feeling very chipper. I had a wonderful day, a wonderful walk. I'm not pouring sweat, sunburned and nasty looking. I really feel great today. And tonight we're going to be having, now these are bratwurst. It's not your traditional American serving method. This is a, what do you call it? A baguette. These are baguette brats because I hollowed out the center of these baguettes. I put some mustard in there. I cooked up my brats. I added some of this delicious sauerkraut to the pan, warmed it up, cooked it up in the juices, and then I slid that all together into the baguette, wrapped it up in foil with a little bit more of the sauerkraut in the foil too, so it could get that nice flavor into the baguette itself. And then I baked it at like 350 degrees for 20 minutes just so all the flavors could come together. This is inspired by an old restaurant I used to like going to on occasion called Dogmatic off Union Square in Manhattan. Dogmatic was a restaurant where they served all different types of hot dogs. You chose like your meat, and then you chose a sauce, like cheese sauce, spicy sauce, different things you could get. And then it was all shoved together into these baguette buns, except they used like the end of a baguette, so it was curved and sealed off on one side, so the sauce wouldn't come out. And they had a special thing with all these little like just metal cylinders coming up, and they'd spear the baguette on there, and it would toast the inside. Amazing. So this is kind of like a variation on that. Hopefully it's good. Well, that is lovely. I really like how the flavors came together. And a little bit of mustard is just, so key. It's such a key flavor here. I'm a happy camper right now. It's just a good day. I just grounded two together. It didn't hurt, but just such an unpleasant feeling in your jaw. That vibration. Oh my. Brats and baguettes. Look at the French and the Germans getting along. Now this does make me wonder just about you guys out there watching this. If you had to choose, and let me know this down in the comments because I am interested in knowing, but if you had to choose, would you rather have a brat or a hot dog? Let me know in the comments and tell me why. Tell me your reasoning behind it. I'm biased because I'm eating brats right now. I understand that, but brat does have perhaps a more interesting flavor, more complexity than a hot dog. Although sometimes I just really want a hot dog. the thing that hot dog has going for it, I think, is that it lends itself to a lot of different topping combinations you can do to make it interesting. The brat is interesting in itself, but then you can't have as much excitement on top of it. Like having a kimchi brat, I think, would be bad, but a kimchi hot dog is amazing. But what is sauerkraut other than German kimchi? That's not quite as rotten. Well, fermented. Don't run away, you slippery little sausage. These are really filling. And the fact that as I cut all the bread out of the center, I could eat all of that instead of throwing it away. I didn't want to be wasteful, you know. Look at this guy. So cool. Oh, I'm just gonna be barely able to get through this, I think. More bites. You can do this, Sammy boy. It's what you've been training to do your entire life. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and please remember, let me know down in the comments, hot dog or bratwurst, and why. Don't just say one or the other, you gotta tell me why, you gotta present a well-reasoned argument. Love you, fam.